Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now imagine having all the brains of the world. You can analyze, research, think, but you cannot act. Well, that's the biggest problem of your favorite AIs, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any of the open source models, whether it's Llama, whether it's DeepSeek, anything. They are brilliant brains, but they are stuck. They cannot do or they cannot act on your behalf. Now, in this video, we are going to change that. We are going to give the body and a nervous system to the brain, which is the LLM, which will actually work, automate, and act for you 24/7. And the body is nothing but your favorite messaging platform, which can be either WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, anything. And the nervous system is n8n, your favorite orchestration tool. So in this video, we are going to get the ball rolling, and I'll show you how within less than 2 minutes you can actually connect Telegram with n8n. Now you might think, why Telegram and not WhatsApp? Well, because Telegram is very easy to connect, and because we can instantly get the API key to connect to. But when it comes to WhatsApp, Meta needs to be sent a request for the API key, or there are other workarounds like Twilio platform, multiple platforms that can be used to connect to WhatsApp. So this video, I'll not show you what about WhatsApp. In some other video, I'll show you about WhatsApp, but this video is all about connecting Telegram and your n8n. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay guys, so as I said, we need n8n as the nervous system and the body for the messaging system, where we are using Telegram. In order to do so, we need Telegram and n8n. Now the first thing, if you are new to n8n, then I tell you that n8n is an workflow automation platform like this, which you see, n8n.io, where you can actually create automations and LLMs, AI agents for your automating any task. Now, how to do it is you sign up for the first time if you're using it, and if I have a specific video created for n8n, so please look into those videos. Somewhere in the screen it is there. uh, but you sign up, you will get a 14 days trial. So I am also using, so since I have already signed up, I will use sign in. So once I sign in, I'll go to this place, which is the entire view of n8n once you sign in. Now here you can add two parts. One is an workflow and one is a credential. What is a credential? Is your APIs, your access links where you can store. So you can choose create credentials, and the other thing is create workflow. Now create workflow is where we actually create our end-to-end workflow. Now once I click on this create workflow, I see a blank page where it says add first step. So once I click here, I need a trigger, because the trigger is something that is the first initiation of how we are connecting and what is the mode of connection, right? Whether it's a chat, whether it's a Telegram. So I'll type in Telegram. Okay. Once I type in Telegram, n8n has already a built-in feature of Telegram. So I just have to type in and choose on message, because I am typing a message to get in. Okay. So that's on message. Now, here, once I select on message, I need to get credentials of Telegram. How do I get credentials? And put it is that create new credentials. I already have credentials. I'll show you how to create credentials. So create new credentials. Now, once I type in here, I need an access token to Telegram. So for that, I need to go to Telegram web or your mobile app. So I'm using for the easy accessibility, I am using web. So Telegram web, I select it, and this is my sign. If you are not done, sign up onto this or download the Telegram web for the first time. Now the first thing you have to search over here is Botfather. Botfather actually helps us to create these APIs and all these things, or your new bot. Okay, we have to do start. Now the moment I say start, there are a lot of options that comes in, and the first option that we need is new bot. So we'll do a slash new bot. and you give a name. It's asking give a name to the new bot. So let's say code cog 2. Okay, I just name this code cog 2. So the name is there. Now it says choose a username. So let's say code cog 2 underscore bot, and underscore bot has to be there. It's mandatory for the username to be created. And let's see if this username is available to us or not. Okay, so this username is available to us, and the moment I type in this username, I get a token, access token. Okay, so I click on this access token, and now I go back to my workflow where I have to paste this into the access token. Once I paste and scroll down, I'll save it. It says credentials successfully created inside personal space. So that means my Telegram and n8n are now synced with each other. And how do I know it? Is I will, type in inside the Telegram bot, and I should get an answer. Now, the thing, in order to automate this, I have to publish this. Now, since this is just a Telegram feature, I need to create more thing. We'll just test it. So you can execute workflow, but before even execute workflow, let me type in a message, because this is a manual messaging that I'm doing. But once we publish this, it would be automatically done. So I'll type in, or we'll go to click on this code called bot, and we are into this. So we'll type in, select the start, and then let's say let's so there is a start, right? I should see the start. If I execute this, it has said successfully. How do I see whether this is successfully or not? Because I'm not receiving anything, because I have not created any receiver to it. I'm just connecting a message that is coming from Telegram to this workflow. Okay, so I'll go to executions, and I see there is an execution available on the left hand side. And once I click on this, I can see slash start. So that means this message is coming. Let's do one more thing. Is this is my first message. Okay, let's see if this one goes to Telegram or not. Okay, so I have typed in. What I have to do again is go back to editor and execute. So there should be another execution available to us, and this is where you can see your executions, and see there is an execution come in. I type in. What I have to do is I have to go inside and see we get this is my first message. So that means my Telegram and n8n are synced with each other. So that's the easiest way of connecting Telegram and n8n together. Now from here we start building whatever we want to build of our own. So that's all in this video. This was a very short video I wanted to create for. In the next video, I will create an end-to-end workflow and showcase how can we bring the nervous system, which is on top of it we are working, the body, the Telegram, and the brain with an LLM will bring out. So that's all for this video. Thank you, and stay tuned and subscribe.